All right, let's make a start with IELTS speaking part 2. Describe something you taught to your friend or relative.
Okay, during my degree days, I stayed in hostel and I got a chance to teach programming basics to one of my roommates. So on a weekend, one weekend, by chance, he saw me working on my laptop. He was amazed what I was doing. He abruptly said me, "Are you hacking?" I said, "No, no, man, I am not hacking." So he sent me to teach me basic some concepts, fundamentals as well. So I taught him some of the concept of programming. So it was really a new world of computing in front of him. He was amazed, and he did not have any idea of computer programming or computer programming basic fundamentals, each and everything, because he was enrolled in social sciences degree, and he does not have any
He did
concern.
not have.
He did not have any concern with computer or programming. So it was a new thing for him. So it was the teaching was for a short period and for 2 days, and at the end, when I asked him, let's try it to you, he tried well, and I was proud that I
Okay, thank you so much. Overall, it's good. You spoke well, you covered the topic well.
okay.
Just try to speak actively and add some expressions in your voice,
Okay.
right? Then it's going to be better further.
Oh,
Now, let's go on to speaking part 3. What are the things that young people can teach old people?
I think old people are unwilling to get new things and get new changes. So what young people can teach them is to take risks, or young people are uh, have some new ideas for business, so they can also teach them to start a new business, take risks, and adopt some changes
Okay,
about.
why older people have problems in learning new things?
I think it's due to age. As people grow in the older age, there is memory loss, and they are hesitant to adopt the changes and learn new things. So I think that's why.
Okay, that's good. Overall, it's very good. Just try to speak a little more in part 3. Try to speak actively, energetically, and whenever you do IELTS listening, try to copy their accent, their style.
Okay.
That will further improve your band score. At the moment, I'm giving you 6.5, but with a little improvement, you can make it 7 or above. Right? Thank you.